Hello friends, this is HDPE pipe connection machine for the water supply purpose. This machine is, this is what I am showing is, this is microcontroller section. This is the power supply and this is power supply. This is input AC. This is secondary DC. This DC is go to the control section and the output section. Now I am showing you, this is output of the welding machine, and there is a special uh, coil is coming in the unit. This is current transformer to sense the current, what is current in the output section. Okay, that is to be sensed. This the coil connection is go to the microcontroller section, and from the microcontroller, this is the driver board is to be run. Okay, these are all the resistance are burned out, and four section is there, four MOSFET is there. For four MOSFETs, driver section is 4. Okay, now I removing the output board. In this welding machine, the two pipes are heating and melting and joining together. Okay, this welding machine is coming to my shop. Before that, some one person is opened and it is not repairing, he say like that. Okay, I brought it and I removing all the output section, and he is did something, but it is not okay. In this board, I removing this power supply. Okay, this is the output board. These four numbers of MOSFETs. This is the driver board. The driver board connection is to be loosed, and it is to be, track is to be cut. He is removing and removing soldering and did something. The solder is to be cut. Okay, I seen here the studs of the board is damaged. Okay, I did all the things, and two section of the driver board resistance is burned out. All the ICs and capacitors are good. The IC are burned out. Here is the resistance. The voltage is given to the MOSFET of the gate. When gate is getting a voltage, the MOSFET is operated. Okay? Why these two channels are to be burned out? Next, I go to next section. I removing all the capacitors. I is to be check. This is the line. See, we can't get the line here. Okay, this is also be complaint. The internal circuit is disconnected. These three capacitors are to be connected parallel. See here the driver board section. See, two side is to be short. In this channel we can't get a short. Here also we get shorted. Okay. In this channel I can't get the short. Okay. Finally I think the two channels are to be MOSFET to be removed and check it. Here is the resistances. I getting studs to resistance of the line. We must check the cold method only. These high current units are checking by the cold test method only. Then we put a power for this. Otherwise, we can't think the what I'm fault. I think these all MOSFETs is to be removed. Okay, I speed the video. In this high voltage or high current output section, carefully we remove the MOSFETs by the desoldering gun. The circuit is very simple and it is complicated. I removed something material in the MOSFETs. the screw is to be loosened. Okay, these four numbers MOSFETs are 53N60. The number is 53N60. See, the MOSFET is blasted out. Second channel is, I think it is good. And third channel MOSFET is also be blasted. And fourth channel, it is not blasted. Okay, then these MOSFETs is to be checked by the cold method. See, left side is the gate, drain and source is there. It is good. Okay. When we touch the gate, we must show the drain to source connection. See, there is no showing anything. This is field effect transistor. It must be shown. Okay. These two MOSFETs is to be, I think it is opened. Okay. The another two MOSFETs are blasted out. This MOSFET is 53N60. Okay. I brought it from the market. And next, these are all the diodes. The diodes is to be checked, and it is good. The number I am showing seen, and all the diodes is to be checked by the meter. There is no short.